Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. Get ready for some windy conditions across Arizona, especially later this afternoon into the evening. Here in the valley, we're calling for gusts in excess of 40 to potentially 45 miles per hour later on tonight. Meanwhile, up in the high country, gusts of 55 miles per hour cannot be ruled out later today, which is why the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for most of Arizona, beginning as early as 11 o'clock today, lasting through 11 this evening. So be sure to secure those loose objects, especially those Halloween decorations, and watch out for pockets of blowing dust sand, especially in southern Arizona. So here's a look at Futurecast starting today, and we're stopping it at noon, and you see the potential for some high winds across areas, mainly Mojave County first, and then spreading out elsewhere across Arizona. Here in the valley, the wind speeds will really pick up right around sunset and really crank up later on tonight to right around 11 o'clock or so. When the main cold front moves through is when the winds will really begin to howl here in the Phoenix metro. And there's the reason why. A powerful fall storm moving in will also produce some slight rain chances here in the Phoenix metro, only about 20%, but a better chance of rain and high elevation snow showers later on this evening across the high country, perhaps even a dusting of snow in areas like Flagstaff before it's all said and done. And then we dry out the rest of the week with temperatures on Tuesday on the very cool side. We're talking highs well below average, anywhere from 15 to 20 degrees below average in a few locations. Now today, we're calling for highs to stay below average too, but generally in the mid 80s from Cave Creek to Scottsdale, Tempe, and Ahwatukee. That's well below that seasonal average high of 91. And across the rest of the state today, expect temperatures anywhere from 55 in Flagstaff to 61 in Heber, 62 in Show Low, and across central Arizona, highs in the mid 60s too, but still warm in the southern parts of the state. Highs staying in the mid 80s from Tucson to Casa Grande and Phoenix, and along the Colorado River Valley, we're expecting highs to stay in the mid 80s as well before that cold front arrives tonight, which will allow temperatures to plummet across the majority of the state. So here's a breakdown of your 7-day forecast. Today, windy, again, those rain chances later on tonight. Other than that, mild with highs in the mid 80s. And then look at the high tomorrow, 70 degrees, quite a drop in those temperatures, and lows in the lower 50s early Wednesday morning, meaning part of the outlying areas could dip into the 40s, and we stay in the 70s all the way through Thursday with abundant sunshine, and then we're back in the 80s, and the warming trend does return, in fact, by the weekend, with highs near 90 on Saturday and right at 90 on Sunday, with lows back in the 60s.